How to turn on when you are mentioned. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to receive a message when people like or send a mention to your inbox message easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok and here click on those three lines up there. Click on setting and privacy. Now choose the second option, which is privacy, and scroll down. You're gonna find mentions. And here you have inbox message preference, which is receive inbox message when people you follow like or comment on videos you are mentioned in. Turn on or off this option whatever you want. Easy and quick, so you can just receive a message when someone you know on your followers or is not on your followers like or comment on something you are mentioned in. Don't forget to subscribe and like.